Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what happens if someone accidentally severs a finger? It sounds like a nightmare, but medical science has some pretty amazing solutions for these kinds of emergencies. Let's dive into the fascinating world of reattaching severed fingers. First things first, if you or someone else has a severed finger, it's crucial to seek professional medical help immediately. Trying to handle it on your own could lead to more harm than good. When a finger is severed, time is of the essence. The sooner the finger is reattached, the better the chances for recovery. Doctors call the surgery to reattach a finger replantation. So, how does replantation work? Well, it's a complex procedure that involves several critical steps. Firstly, the surgeon must clean and prepare both the severed finger and the stump. This includes carefully removing any debris and assessing the damage. Next comes the really intricate part. The bones are shortened slightly and aligned before being fixed together with tiny plates and screws. This provides a stable framework to work on. After the bones are aligned, the microsurgeon, using a microscope and very fine instruments, reconnects the small blood vessels. This step is crucial because it restores blood flow, which is essential for the survival and healing of the finger. Following the blood vessels, the tendons, which control the movements of the finger, are repaired. Then, nerves are reattached to help restore sensation. Lastly, the skin is carefully closed up. The entire process can take several hours and requires incredible precision and skill. The recovery process is long and involves a lot of rehabilitation. Physical therapy is crucial to regain as much function as possible. It's a slow process, but many patients can regain significant use of their finger over time. Incredible, isn't it? Medical science continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, giving people the chance to recover from injuries that would have been life-changing not so long ago. That's all for today's dive into the microscopic world of finger replantation. Stay curious and always seek professional help for medical emergencies. Catch you in the next video.